Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Eventbrite weekly con settings. Here you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Eventbrite and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.